Hi, Erica McClain with HomeSmart. Welcome. And if you're here today, you must have had a property that was unsuccessful being sold. And today we're going to discuss the 7 reasons your home didn't sell and how to fix them. So if your home didn't sell the first time around, you're not alone. Today, like I said, I'm going to share the 7 most common reasons homes fail to sell and, more importantly, how to fix them. Stick around because these tips could make all the difference for the next time you list your property. Okay, reason number 1 is overpricing. I don't think it is, but everybody always says that's the number 1 reason. So let's start with that as being the biggest culprit. Overpricing your home can scare off potential buyers. A comparative market analysis, or CMA, helps ensure your price is competitive. Reason number 2, which in my opinion should be number 1, poor marketing. If your home was not marketed effectively, it's no wonder buyers didn't notice it. Professional photos, online advertising are must-haves in today's market. I see so many listings that you can tell the agent just took their phone and that's what they used for photos. I can't believe that those sellers don't complain when they see the photos. Reason number 3, limited showings. If your house was hard to show, buyers need to be flexible showing schedules to view the property at their convenience. But you don't need to drop everything and expect every showing, but you do need to make it as easy as possible for the agents to show it. And unfortunately, on a lot of listings, I don't see that. What I do see is the listing agent making it harder, that you have to text or email the listing agent to schedule the showing. This is an important fact that a lot of sellers don't know. There's something called showing assist. It's in the MLS when we're scheduling showings and we're showing multiple properties. We're picking the ones our buyers want to see and we put them in the showing cart. Then we figure out the times and we send showing requests. So if your agent has it where you have to call, text, or email them, good luck, because your listing most likely is going to the bottom of the pile, and there's a good chance that the ones that were easier to schedule showings for, those buyers found something before that agent ever had to do extra work trying to schedule a showing. I know it sounds like a little thing, but it does make a big, big difference. Next, how was your curb appeal? First impressions matter. If your home doesn't look inviting from the outside, buyers may not even want to go inside. I've had it before where buyers would pull up with their agent, and just from looking at the outside, they don't want to see it. But then the agent usually will say, well, we have an appointment, so let's just go through it real quick. Reason 5, staging. A cluttered or poorly staged home makes it hard for buyers to picture themselves living there. You need to declutter. I don't agree with taking down personal photos and stuff like that. You still want it to feel like a home, but you don't want clutter. Clean out the closets if you've got extra stuff. Even if you take one particular spot. I always tell my sellers, if it's stuff you're saving, stuff you're getting rid of, whatever, put it in boxes, put it in Rubbermaid bins, allocate one section of the basement or the garage or somewhere to put all of that stuff. The buyers aren't going to think anything of that because they're going to just think that you're, starting to pack up to move. Then the next one, reason 6, you have to know your defined target audience. Who was your home marketed to? Identifying your target audience helps craft a message, one that resonates. If you're in a 1-bedroom condo, that's going to resonate with maybe a first time buyer or somebody downsizing. It's not going to be somebody with 3 kids looking at it. So, however your house situation is, the type of house, number of rooms, and whatever, your agent needs to determine the target audience to advertise this property to. Blind advertising is, you might as well just take a whole bunch of flyers and go throw them up in the middle of a busy street and let them blow around. Maybe you'll find a buyer that way. But reason number 7, maybe this should have been number 1, and then pricing would drop down to number 3, and marketing, because I said that should be first on the list. But maybe marketing should be second, pricing should be the third reason. But at reason 7, it's hiring the wrong agent. Finally, the expertise of your agent matters. A seasoned realtor knows how to strategize and overcome challenges. And it's not even, once you get to that point and you get an offer in, that's where even more of the work starts. So you want an agent that knows what they're doing, that you're comfortable with, that knows how to negotiate a contract. It makes all the difference. All these little things that most sellers aren't aware of that go on behind the scenes are usually the reason, but whether your property sells or it sits on the market forever, and price reduction and price reduction and price reduction, and then it still comes off as a canceled or expired listing. There's no reason for that, not with the way market conditions are and inventory being low right now. So that kind of stuff shouldn't be happening. Selling a home is a team effort between the realtor and the homeowner. If your home didn't sell the first time, don't be discouraged. Let's fix what went wrong and get your property sold. You can visit my website to download my free checklist to relaunch your home or schedule a consultation. And of course, please hit that subscribe button for more tips on selling your house. Hit the bell. Don't forget to download the free checklist or call me and we can schedule a consultation over the phone. We can do a Zoom, or I could come out, depending on where you are, and this is in Illinois. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this information helpful, and I hope that you'll be back for more videos. But otherwise, I'll say bye for now.